Alright, got this one all done, ready to go home. Do a quick walk around. My neighbor's car, his mom's, and she don't drive no more. He wanted to get her cleaned up and sell it. And take her for one last ride in for Mother's Day and we'll put it for sale. Nice little car if somebody needs something to cruise around town in, cheap on gas. Cleaned up pretty good. Cleaned up pretty good. It's only got 98,000 miles on it. But it's all ready to go home. Pretty clean. You gotta know when I'm working on, and I didn't do it before video on it. I got too busy. Cars and coffee this morning, just been running around like crazy. Get back at it. Talk to you guys later.